Hello folks, welcome back to another almost daily vlog at the MX5 Restorer. Now, some people have asked us why our channel is called Lights Up, Lights Down and not the MX5 Restorer. Can you get that in there? Yeah. There is a reason, and that was that originally we didn't actually, it wasn't really the plan to do all this stuff in the workshop. Originally it was just going to be a YouTube channel. And being called Lights Up, Lights Down would give us the flexibility to sort of do videos on any car, any make of car, any type of car, which we do still want to do, we just don't find the time to do it at the moment. But we will do, we've got a few lined up, and when we get the chance to do it, and when we have kind of, also when we kind of feel happy with the way we want to do sort of car reviews or car drives, because we're still kind of developing that process. It's not as easy as you might think. Face went into shadow there, didn't it? To do it kind of, it is actually quite difficult, but we're going to do some on our cars. So we've got the S Limited, the RS, California, Chris's car, Speedster. So we do intend to do that just as soon as we get a bit of free time within the workshop and be able to take a few of us out of the workshop and go and actually do those videos. So yeah, so that's a bit of the reason why it's called Lights Up, Lights Down and not MX5 Restorer. Anyway, right, swinging around to the car park. This one here is the one that had the slight misfire. That's been solved. Just plugs, leads, and I think that was it actually. We'll check that with Roy in a minute. Roy did that. I think that's all that needed. Anything new out here to talk about? I don't think so. No. Right, let's go inside and see what Roy is up to. Hammer. Noisy. Hang on. Keep your noise down. Ashley's got a good project on at the moment. We'll show that in a minute. Roy, the red one outside, what was it in the end? The slight misfire one?
We just put plugs and leads on
Plugs and leads. Did you actually find anything wrong with them, or? No, just changed them, and that's...
It could do with a can cover gasket because there was some oil around number 4 plug.
Okay.
So it could have been that.
Right.
But I took it out for test drive on stale fuel. It seems to work all right.
Okay. Right. Great. And you've punched out some chassis rails.
I have. I have indeed.
Went well? Oh yeah, there's the other ones. Oh, that wasn't too bad actually.
No, they weren't too bad in the end.
They're often a lot worse than that.
Yeah. As you can see, that's why they rot out. It's because they blow out between the 2 layers, and you end up with that on the outside.
Yeah.
So bad design.
Well, it was done for crumple zone, we think, didn't we? But anyway, menditated now.
Yeah, all done. Literally just go put some understeel on it.
Yep.
Away for the night.
Let that dry overnight.
Yeah,
seam sealed on the inside.
And then come back to it tomorrow morning, put it all back together. And by lunchtime, it'll be ready.
Great.
So,
cool.
And then I'm off.
Yeah, you're off on Friday, aren't you? Yeah. Another holiday.
I've got to look after the kids. They're on half term. So, yeah, short week for me this week.
Yeah, 3 days.
Yeah,
nice. I'm off on Friday as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm going to carry on with my decking.
You're going to play if you're good, are you?
Yeah. Yeah. My wife plays with it as well.
Yeah?
Anyway, off we go.
Yeah.
You alright, Ash?
Right.
What's going on there then? That got serious.
Just fell out.
Okay, so we're back on, it's still on, number 176, 176th MX5 made. Been standing since 2008. And it's always when it's running, it's not smelled quite right, is it?
No,
it's smelled a bit weird.
It's not smelled like it's got fuel in it.
No, it's been running fine, but it's just, we put some fresh fuel in it. That it had like a slight stutter on your first split the throttle, but that went away after putting some fresh fuel in it. But it still didn't smell quite right. So we thought we would have a look inside the tank at least, and that's where it all started to go a bit pear-shaped. Yeah, well, first of all, when Ash lifted up or took off the inspection cover inside the car, there was a nest of some form sitting on top of the tank. He could also see this seam from underneath didn't look very good, and through that tiny inspection hole there, he could just about see that the inside of the tank was less than good. But the best way for me to show you it here is to look through this flap. I don't know if that's coming out at all on the camera, but it's none too pretty in there. So we're changing the tank, and while we're at it, rear subframe's out, so we've cleaned the top of that up, undersealed that, and undersealed all the metalwork above. So just to protect it really. So that's all fresh, which is why it all looks so shiny. And there's a new fuel filter has gone on there. So you're getting this back in. You reckon you'll get that back in today?
Yeah, should do.
Cool. Good. And did you finish off the front brakes?
Yeah, front brakes finished. Still got the rears to do, but
You did some pads. Was that the original caliper, or was that a good used one we had?
it looks like it's had new front calipers before it went off the road. So
Oh, okay.
they're working fine. And
All good. We better look at that as well.
yeah, it just needs a bit of a clean up and treatment.
Yeah. Remove the bottom of the wing. Just remove the pull back the bottom of the wing and investigate. Okay. Good. See you tomorrow. Having fun?
Yeah, happy, yeah. So just cleaning this, starting to clean this up for an underseal. And I got halted. So I thought the rear subframe braces looked a little bit suspect. And then I sort of looked a bit closer. And that shouldn't be there really. Should look more like that. Even that's bad.
Yeah.
That's very bad. Not even the mount between the screws.
Hello? We do see this quite often on Mark III's, don't we?
We do. Thanks. Oh, Roy bought me cock. Cock?
Yeah. I like a bit of cock. Right.
As we do, they do go wrong.
We keep those in stock.
We keep them here.
Brand new ones. So
Yeah. So that is what should weigh it.
is that really that interesting? I mean, these videos are suspect interesting anyway.
Well, I think someone could be interested to know since 2007 how much.
Go on then, I'll go and talk to Grant and then I'll meet
Yeah,
you.
I'll go
I'll meet you at the
I'll-
weigh station.
No, I'll go and get the weight.
Oh, okay, all right.
I'll bring it.
Let's go and talk to Grant. Hey,
Hello.
chassis rail going in.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So you got the inners done.
It's done. Yeah.
It's all chassis rails this week. It's unusual, isn't it? It's normally all seals. Cool. All right.
Seals.
Or under seals, yeah. Under seals, not under seals.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Because
Yeah.
that's two different things. All right. I'll leave you to it.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Here he comes. Whoa. Who's that?
Right.
Sorry if this is boring.
I think people would be interested to know since.
Can you do the maths?
I've got well, mine's got back on a 5.6 player. That's 2006.
So it's 10 years old. No.
It's not 10 years old. I mean, it's 16, that's 10, so 16, so 18, 19, 20, so that's 14.
Okay.
Something like that, 14 years old. Yeah, here will say, so a new one with probably a little bit of extra dust weighs 609.3 grams. I'm gonna go with 502.
Oh,
Oh, 421. That's quite a bit of weight saving.
now on
isn't it?
there. I can't see it on the camera. Yeah, it is. Self-lightening.
It's quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, that was boring.
See you later then.
See you tomorrow. Bye.